Here we are again, doing what we love to do. We are in Mount Major State Forest in New Hampshire, and we're doing the Mount Major loop hike. Quick, little under 4 miles total. We'll be taking the Brook trail up and then the Mount Major main trail down to complete the loop. Epic views at the peak. Haven't done it yet, but you get a look at Lake Winnipesaukee. So should be some really nice views at the peak. I'll see you guys when it opens up. We get some epic views. Right, Bubba? Yeah. Here we go. All right, that's what we're doing. Brook Trail to Mount Major Summit. We get to just go around the loop and enjoy the views that are going to be coming up once we get a little higher elevation. Looking forward to it. Oh, getting our first views on the way up. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. All right, that's why we do it. On the peak of Mount Major. Chewie.
Does it get his
Chewie?
head?
Views on the other side. Breathtaking. This is all Lake Winnipesaukee. Beautiful. It's a little crowded at the peak. A lot of people sit at like some of the best spots. So we'll take a quick look around. I don't like getting people in the video, but I have no choice in this one. And I'll just take some pictures so I don't have, you know, people I don't know in the video. Chewie video, that's fine, but I don't like. Oh God. Hello.
Oh my god, it's a GoPro.
Yeah, you guys might be on the Chewie GoPro.
I would love to be on Chewie GoPro. Oh my god.
Chewie.
Yeah.
You work for Chewie?
I'm his videographer.
Oh, okay.
So cool.
unbelievable views. Just bang for your buck for the 1.8, 1.9 miles up. Now we're taking the Mount Major trail down, just a straight down, instead of winding around like we did on the Brook trail. But I get to look at this on the way down. Just unbelievable views of Lake Winnipesaukee. Whew. Breathtaking. Getting the last of our views as we go back into the tree line, back into the woods. Well, our hiking journey is nearing its end, and it was a great 2 days. So we'll have a few videos out by the time this one comes out. And it was just as you can see, it was a great epic view weekend between the covered bridge, Lower Falls, Table Mountain, and now Mount Major. What a great 2 days of hiking. Next time I see you guys, it's gonna be fall foliage time, and I can't wait. That's never been more excited about fall foliage than I am right now with having the glasses to correct my color blindness. As you all know, I say it too much. But it's gonna be eye-popping for me. Eye-popping. So till then, happy trails. See you guys next time. Be safe out there and have fun. Chewie is too far away.
Like a GoPro.
Hey, you're a good boy. Can I pet you? Are you okay?
Hello.
He's a GoPro.